So something you always want to do before you purchase a stock is check when they announce earnings. Most companies on the public market announce earnings 4 times a year. So you want to make sure you're not purchasing a stock right around when they announce earnings, because you never know how Wall Street is going to react to those earnings announcements. I always say you always want to do your research anyway, fundamental and technical research, before you buy a stock of any kind. But even more so, always check to make sure that you are not buying that stock around earnings. And the reason for this is because there are a lot of investors, there are a lot of traders, there are a lot of day traders who actually gamble around when a company will announce earnings. I see this all the time in trading rooms where they're talking about what they think the stock is going to do after they announce earnings, and they will go in, they will buy what's called options in order to hopefully make a quick buck. And it is a 50-50 shot. So yes, sometimes they do well with this, but I would say 9 out of 10 times I've seen a lot of people lose money on this. I've done it once or twice and I've always lost money. The stock market, in my opinion, is a long-term game. So you want to look at the big picture. Don't take these short-term risks in order to make a quick buck, because it never pans out right. So always check to make sure when your company is announcing earnings, or when the company you want to buy stock in is announcing earnings, and never purchase it. I usually, if I see it's about a week or two away from announcing earnings, I won't buy it. I will hold to see Wall Street's reactions, and also to see, what the company announces. So I have other videos about what to look for during earnings seasons and when a company announces earnings. But for now, take this number one tip and run with it. Never buy a stock around when they announce earnings, and always check that date before you purchase the stock.